Hey, today we're going to make Amaretti cookies that are so delicious. I tried them in Italy and now I had to make them. So we're going to start with large bowl. We're going to add 2.5 cups of almond flour into them and then 1 cup of white sugar. I'm going to mix these ingredients together as well as I can. And then I'm going to get another smaller bowl and get 3 medium eggs. We're going to basically break each egg and separate the egg whites from the egg yolk and dispose of the egg yolks. I'm then going to whisk my egg whites until the mixture is white and creamy. Yes. When I'm finished up with the whisking, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of almond extract, which is so delicious, and actually it gives it beautiful smell. And then I'm going to grate in 1 orange zest, so just grate all that zest on the orange, and once you're done, we're going to just scoop it into the mixture. I'm going to give it a very good whisk, and as you can see, now our egg whites are no longer white, they're more like yellow now. Now I'm going to get my large bowl out with the almond flour, and I'm going to pour in the egg whites into the dry ingredients. We're going to mix everything gently until our dough is moist and sticky and easy to form, just like you can see. If it's too dry and not sticking together, you probably need more egg whites. Then pair plate with sugar. Yes, we're going to just pour some granulated white sugar all over it, and I'm going to dip one of my palms into water and then just cover my palm with sugar. You do that by pressing it into the plate, and then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, so the smallest one, in my other hand, and scoop out the dough. Then I'm going to roll the scoop dough in my sugary hand just to cover it with sugar a little bit, and then I want to roll the dough in the plate of sugar, and that's it. We place this on a baking sheet with parchment paper on, and I'm going to repeat it with the dough until we make all the cookies. So I ended up with 33 cookies in total, and I'm very happy with my results. Now we want to bake this in the center of the oven at 325 Fahrenheit degrees or 160 Celsius for 25 minutes until the bottom of the cookies is golden. So very easy. You shouldn't burn them. And then once they're baked, we're going to just take them out and cool them down. Once they're cooled down, we're gonna store them in a food container or anywhere. Either way, enjoy them with some tea, coffee. They are so sweet, chewy, yummy, delicious. They're marzipan-like. They're nothing like you've ever eaten. Proper Italian cookies that just taste amazing. My neighbors couldn't have enough of them, so trust me, they're addictive. Either way, if you've enjoyed this, please visit allnutritious.com, like and subscribe, and take care. Bye.